At first glance, these look like two ordinary white powders. One is potassium iodide and the other is lead nitrate. By themselves, they seem completely harmless and nothing unusual happens. But chemistry can be full of surprises. The moment these two powders are placed together in a mortar and gently ground, the particles begin making direct contact with each other. That contact is enough to start a fascinating chemical reaction. Slowly, the white mixture begins changing color. Within moments, the entire powder becomes a bright yellow solid, creating a dramatic transformation that almost looks like magic. The yellow compound you're seeing is lead iodide, a completely new substance with properties different from either of the original powders. This happens because lead ions combine with iodide ions, producing the brilliant yellow color right before your eyes. One of the most interesting things about this experiment is that no water is added. No flame, no heating, and no liquid are needed. Simply grinding the two powders together provides enough contact for the reaction to take place. This is known as a solid-state chemical reaction, proving that chemistry doesn't always need liquids to create something spectacular. Sometimes, all it takes is two simple white powders and a little bit of contact to produce an amazing result. If you enjoy experiments like this, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Shock Lab for more incredible chemistry experiments every day.